So it's our fifth day of talking about websites that convert, web pages that convert, landing pages that convert, making our whole website more convert-y. And we know what convert means. It means we have to take people we have to bring people in, make them an offer, and then give them the payoff. So it's really, we're trying to make it as simple as we can, which is unusual for me. Okay, so talking about as simple as you can, here we go with a really complicated diagram. You know what I'm like. Anyway, yeah. So this is what we're working towards. We're working towards, you know, and this is in my version of the picture. So yesterday we were talking in particular about this first half of the page, which is all about them, and you were invited to go and do some TLCs and start thinking about all about them. Today we're going to look at TLC, and it's going to be more about you and the solution that you're providing. Okay, and then we're going to then go to the offer thing. This is one that I'm half hidden here. We're going to talk more and more about the offer as well. So over the next couple of days, I'm going to show you how your TLCs map to your website. You've probably already worked it all out anyway, because it's hopefully the TLC. I'm trying to make the TLCs as clear as possible, but the TLC should just, you should go, aha, this, I need to pull this here and this here and this here and this here. Okay. So today we're looking at this second half of the page, basically, which is more about you and the solution. Now, just to make something clear, I put things in this order, and like I said down here, it's inspired by StoryBrand, but also a guy called Shane Malau, who does Thrive Themes, and it's also based on my 25 years of experience of what works and what doesn't work, because I've made so many websites that don't work and seen many websites that don't work. Okay, so this is the suggested order of things, but you can mix it up a bit. It's not a rule, it's not the law. You can mix it up, and remember, you are experimenting. So if you find that you need to put some testimonials before the benefits, because that works better for your people, the people that you want to convert, then that's what you do. You put those testimonials up there first. The recipe for a page includes all of these bits at some volume, at some frequency, at some amount. But if you get all of these bits on a page, you can generally make a page, a landing page, a sales page that will convert. Okay, so today we're going to particularly look using the TLC, because we're going to be using the TLC to fill in these bits. Okay, so the steps in particular, I want you to keep the idea of steps in mind, and we might be putting a picture on or something. Okay, so I'm going to carry on and not. So this is thought leadership canvas, just in case you've never seen one before, for the 100th time. So we're particularly, so yesterday I asked you to start thinking about the name, the person that you want to come to your particular landing page, what you're offering them, and their transformations, and in particular these transformations, because these 3 B's are the benefits that you put on this first half of your page.